To set up notifications for price changes on Coinbase, start by downloading the app from the store. Search for Coinbase in the upper part of the page, and you will see the main Coinbase app and the Coinbase Wallet app. You can choose either one, but the instructions will be based on the Coinbase Wallet app. Once the app is downloaded, locate it on your device and open it to access the Assets page, which includes sections such as Transactions, Browse, Explore, and Settings. On the Assets page, click on the speech bubble in the upper right corner to access messages, requests, notifications, and a gear icon. The gear icon leads to a menu with options including product announcements, tips, special offers, price alerts, and more. To set up price change notifications, access one of the assets you are using. Then toggle the price changes and authentication options.